Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm making a very unique and a very different dish. It's called as quinoa broccoli stir fry. So this is something which I figured out when I was just sitting and thinking what should I cook for lunch today. I was really bored of eating the normal dal chawal roti sabzi. So I thought I'll make something different. It is a great lunch or a dinner option and it keeps you fuller for a longer period of time. And quinoa is a great source of fiber. It is gluten free and it has very low glycemic index, which helps you control your blood sugar levels. And coming on to broccoli is a great source of vitamin K, vitamin C, which makes your skin look nicer and younger, and also it has a lot of fiber in it. You must try this recipe. Once you try it, you're gonna love it. You're gonna want to make it again and again. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, I'm going to start with prepping for quinoa. I've taken about 1/3 cup of it and I've put it in 2 parts water and 1 part quinoa. I'm going to cook it for 12 minutes at low flame. Now take a pan and put about 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 100 grams of paneer into it. Grill them nicely on both the sides until they are crisp and they have a bite. They should look golden brown. So at this stage you can choose any kind of protein you like: eggs, chicken, fish, rajma, chole, whatever is your preference. I am going with paneer because it really lifts up the dish. So this is what we are exactly looking for. It should have a golden tinge on the side. It really tastes yummy. You can just eat it like that. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now in the same pan I've taken about 2 teaspoons of olive oil and I'll fry 1 chopped onion into it until it's light brown. So now I'm creating the base for the dish. This will be the masala. So to make this process a little faster, I'm gonna add some salt into this. Mix that well till the time I look at my quinoa. This looks pretty much done, about 80% cooked. I'm not gonna cook it fully because I'm gonna do it later on. So the onions have browned. I'm gonna add about 1 chopped tomato into it. Tomato gives a nice and tangy flavor to the masala. I'm gonna cook them until they are soft and mushy. So the tomatoes are done now. I'm gonna add about 1 carrot and 1 floret of broccoli chopped nicely, and I've cleaned them as well. Make sure you wash the broccoli well before cooking it. Broccolis are very healthy and super nutritious. Mix the veggies really well with the masala so that they are coated well and they absorb all the masala. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of crushed oregano and chili flakes. This step is completely optional for you guys. I'm also adding some black pepper to it. It gives a nice spicy taste to the dish. So I did not put any water over here, but if you want you can put 1 tablespoon of water and cover this and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on simmer. Make sure it is on simmer, otherwise the veggies will burn. So we don't want to overcook the veggies over here. We need some bite to the dish. The veggies look great now. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of soya sauce. This is my secret and the favorite ingredient of the dish. It really lifts up the dish and it makes it so yummy, and it gives a little bit of Chinese flavor to it. So you can add how much ever you like. I'm adding about a teaspoon of it. Now adding the pan-seared paneer which I had kept aside. Coat these well in the sauce and the masala so that you get nice flavor in all the ingredients. Mix that really well and coat the paneer with the masala. So this is why I had asked you to put about 1 tablespoon of water into it so that the masala gets mixed really well with the veggies and the paneer. Once that is done, add the cooked quinoa into it and toss it really well. If you know how to do it like they do it in the Chinese restaurants, like flipping the pan, please go ahead. I asked my mom to do it. I cannot do that because I know if I do it, I'll just spill it all over my kitchen. So the last thing I'm putting in here is some canned olives. I had really few olives left in my kitchen, so I have put them here. This is really optional and it's not required. Toss it like a pro, guys. Please check for salt and seasoning before serving it. Transfer it to a bowl and garnish it with some paneer or cheese, whatever you have it at your home. I like to go with paneer because I already bought some from the store, so I thought why not. But also, cheese tastes really good in this. Finally, my quinoa broccoli stir fry is ready to be served. Also, let me tell you one more thing. This tastes exactly like the fried rice you get, but without rice, obviously. Quinoa is a great replacement for rice if you're looking for weight loss. Enjoy! I hope you guys like my healthy, nutritious and delicious recipe which I made from scratch, and you're gonna try it at your home soon. I would love to hear what you think about it in the comment section below. Please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. Also check out other healthy recipes which I've put on my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.